I am Jesse Clayton, the technology specialist in the Learning Commons. I will be discussing TSC, Student Outlook Email. Locate resources in the top left-hand corner. Click Email and Calendar. Only use your TSC email to email your professors. What to include in your email. Your instructor's email address. Example, john.doe@tsc.fl.edu. In the subject, class assignment. In the body, address your instructor in a formal way. Drop down a line or two, make it clear what are you trying to say to your instructor. Use correct punctuation and sentence structure when emailing your professors. No texting. Include your first and last name before sending the email. If you have any questions, please contact Jesse Clayton, the technology specialist. He is located in the Learning Commons, LC 1666. His phone number is 850-201-8267. His email address is his first and last name, jesse.clayton@tsc.fl.edu.